In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your project or My Tasks like a pro. Start by opening the project or the My Tasks area you want to bring under control. Take a moment to glance over everything that's already there so you have a sense of the volume and types of work you're dealing with. This quick scan helps you make better choices when you begin sorting. Next, create a simple set of sections to anchor your workflow. Today, upcoming, waiting, and done. Today is for the tasks you plan to tackle in the next 24 hours. Upcoming covers anything scheduled for later this week or beyond. Waiting is your parking lot for items that are blocked, on hold, or dependent on someone else. Done is where completed tasks live, giving you a clear record of progress without cluttering your active view. Keep the names short and consistent so they're easy to skim. Now, move each task into the right section. Be honest about what truly belongs in today. If it's not critical or you can't realistically do it now, push it to upcoming. Anything stalled due to missing information or awaiting approval belongs in waiting. When you finish a task, move it to done right away to keep your active list tight. If you're unsure where something fits, ask yourself what the next concrete action is and when it should happen. Your answer will guide placement. With your tasks roughly sorted, enrich them with details. Add due dates so the system can surface what's urgent. Assign each task to the right owner, even if that's you, so accountability is clear. Apply a priority label like high, medium, or low to help you make quick decisions when time is tight. If your tool supports it, include brief descriptions or links that provide context, but keep them concise to avoid noise. And to go a step further, use filters, sorting, or custom fields to sharpen your view. Filter by assignee to see just your work, or by priority to focus on the most impactful items. Sort by due date to line up deadlines logically. Custom fields can track things like effort or status, giving you a more precise way to slice your list without changing the core sections. Finally, review your task list regularly so it stays clean and updated. A quick daily pass keeps today realistic, moves finished work to done, and shifts blocked items into waiting. A slightly deeper weekly review lets you refresh upcoming and confirm due dates and priorities. Consistent maintenance is the difference between a tidy system and a noisy one, and it only takes a few minutes when you do it often.